4,000 kilogram, 200 horsepower mech suit. It amplifies your strength by about 50 times. We see a future where powered mech suits are as common as ATVs. You could use them in all sorts of applications: mining, agriculture, search and rescue, disaster response, forestry. You know, the sky's the limit.